This is 64 gig for this camera now. So when I slot in my 64 gig, I will show you where you insert your memory card and your SIM card. You see this particular port. So this is the memory card, and this is the port for SIM card. So if you want to insert the memory card, you use your picker. This is the STD 64 gig. So I will now insert it here. And push it in. So this is another port for SIM card. This is for the memory card. I use my picker. Pick out the memory card. This is the memory card. And this is the SIM card, the SIM port. So I want to insert the memory card back. Memory card is properly inserted. Then I will close it again. To turn on the camera, you have a space for off and on. Then this is the way I will do it. Turn it on. Remove this place. There is a switch here. This position is off position, and this is on position. So now the camera is on. This is the lens. This is 3MP. The distance it covers within the rotation is 4 mm. As the distance it uses to rotate. So now that I've switched it on, I will cover it back. After covering it back, I will now position it for charging. While I go, okay, there's something I needed to show you. Here you have the screws. Perhaps you want to detach this panel for extension. So if you want to extend it, that's what we call the extension wire. Though not here, you can use extension wire like 3 meters. It always comes with it to extend it. Probably the panel is not close to where you want the camera to be, so you use extension wire to extend it. Now we're not using extension wire because both of them are going to be in the same place, so the panel is not going to be detachable. So I will screw it and get it properly tight. It is now strong. So this is how the complete set of the panel will be. Follow me as I show you how I will mount it on the wall and turn it.